Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off sound effect in Mario Kart Tour. In order to turn on and off sound effect in Mario Kart Tour, first of all, open up the application on your device and log into your account. From the home page, go ahead and tap the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the settings button on the bottom right and then scroll all the way down until you find the master volume button. To enable the sound effect on your game, make sure to slide the volume key and slide it towards the right hand side. To enable background music while playing the game, tap on the music button. Right after you make sure these two buttons are enabled, you will then be able to turn on sound effect while playing Mario Kart Tour. If you want to turn off sound effect, then make sure that the slider is dragged all the way towards the minimum, and also make sure to turn off the music option. And with these two options, you can easily control your music setting and volume from your Mario Kart Tour game. So that is it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.